thank you guys for 10 subscribers. And this is a voiceover I just checked on YouTube, so thank you for 10 subscribers. Hi guys, go back to another video. In this video, we're going to a mall. Hey, Kenley.
Yeah, we're going to a mall to get some fidget spinners. Yeah, we're going to get some fidget spinners.
Okay.
Should we get 5 fidget spinners?
Well, I only have $14 on me.
Okay, let's only get 2 fidget spinners. No free fidget spinners.
I was gonna give a Bluetooth one. Yeah, I can play music out of it.
What's a Bluetooth
I saw
one?
it yesterday. There's a screwdriver one too.
I don't get the screwdriver.
Stinks in here. Be careful of security.
If there's no...
There might be security here, Jax. Close there. They may get you. They may get you.
Because Target had a lot of... a lot of security.
Yeah.
Can we
Hot
go,
Target.
like, to the play area?
Yeah.
And then just go downstairs.
I don't know where we're going. Sponsor.
Go down,
Guys, subscribe,
No.
comment, share the video. Social media will be in this video.
Can we go in there? Hey, Cars, let's go
What?
check if there's any fidget spinners over there.
I have no clue where I'm going. Just following people. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay. You know this song?
What?
Oh, there's nobody here.
There's nobody here.
Nobody is here.
Maybe we'll get your haircut since it's right here real quick.
Wait, right now?
Haircut.
But you're not looking for fidget spinners without me, right?
Yeah, I'll wait for you.
But you won't ever do that, right?
No, because you're my best brother.
Okay.
Okay. There's absolutely nobody here. Oh my god. Hi guys, we're gonna get Jack's haircut. Be right back. Actually. Yeah.
Same name, just do a $3 over them. You want it all super short?
Make it nice and cool for the summer.
You got Laney? Okay, let me get her.
I like your hair.
Let's go look at some fidget spinners.
Alrighty.
Fidget spinners. Mom,
I'm trying to think where they're gonna be at.
we're going to go find fidget spinners, okay?
Okay. Well, I love you.
I love you.
I'll call you. Wherever excavator's at. Let's go over here. Actually, over here. Actually, over here.
I think they were over here. Yeah, they were.
No, we need to go downstairs.
So
Mom.
they're going over here.
I'm trying to think where they're gonna be at. Girl shop.
We don't like those things.
No.
Sometimes I do.
Okay.
The goals I like, then I like goals. But I still like them.
You like everybody, I guess.
Yeah, I like them.
Yep. Over here. You want it?
Pineapple.
Let's
Hey,
go.
you want to get a trampoline one?
Nope. Hold on. So guys, subscribe, comment, all that stuff. It means a lot to me. Social media will be in on this video. It's gonna be a nightmare finding them. So guys, we're gonna go ahead and look for some fidget spinners. It's gonna be hard to find some.
Fidget spinners.
You're gonna embarrass yourself. You're gonna stop. Oh, here's the gym, guys. Dang. I already saw security when I was not recording. It's awesome. Maybe a short video, guys. A pilot fidget spinner mission failed because we may not find some. But 99% we're not gonna find any fidget spinners. Stop running. Why you run so fast? Oof. Go on, smart one. Look at this kid. Look at him.
Don't call me kid.
You are a kid.
Well, ow.
Alright guys, I'll cut my video until we find some food spinners. Guys, there's absolutely nobody in this mall. Oh my god. Let's go.
Okay.
So guys, we didn't find them yet. And there's like it's like guys, minus 300 million degrees in here. It's absolutely freezing. Officially, we lost our parents. Oh my god.
What?
We lost mommy.
Oh,
Let's try and find this fidget spinner. Come on.
okay.
Feels like just a mix.
Okay, they're in there.
Alright, bad news.
Let's go look in there. Maybe they have them.
Alright, let's go in here.
Hey, cars.
Alright guys, bad news. That store right there did not have them. We're gonna go upstairs and start looking for them. Which, oh man, exhausting. Just saying.
Bad news.
Alright, let's go up here. 20th time already. Plus, I'm getting tired. I've been here a lot. Now, Jack's gonna go in stores. See if they have them, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What do you want to do with this game?
No.
You want to do that game?
No. What was it right there? Walk. I'm a pro. Actually, we're gonna play this game.
Oh, it's first.
I'm a pro at this game. I'm gonna play it, okay?
And you're very good at it.
Yeah, wanna record me?
Sure.
Or do they have it? Look at the have.
I'm gonna look up.
Is that come here.
What?
Smart fitness watch. Come here. Do they have a higher? That'll go, bro. Hero 3. Xbox. Nintendo Switch. How do you know about that? I will come get it later.
It's so much fun.
Really? Sprint. Sprint.
Where?
My guys have found them. Which one? I don't have all that one. I'll tell you which ones are good, okay?
How much are these? These only cost $8.
You want those?
$7.99. You can get 3 for 20.
Let's go look on the
These are cool ones. Fidget. You can't touch the ball.
It's so Barons. Oh, I saw these. Oh god, I made that 100% possible.
I want to get these ones.
You're only getting one.
How many can we get? 2?
One.
No, I want to get 2.
Now.
You can't touch the ball. You can't touch the ball. Okay, he's through.
I got 20.
15?
It's 21.50.
I like this one. I like that one.
What about the one for Kenley?
Hold on.
That's yellow.
Everyone like. Why? There's Fidget.
$7.99 you can get 3 for 20. $7.99.
Hi, Jax.
Would you like a text or email receipt?
Jax.
Text or email receipt? Take it back.
There's actually a pool in Pond. See, look.
You're lucky I have enough money.
See, look. There's Captain America. Here's the price.
This is a Spider-Man one.
There is one. Where's the Spider-Man one?
No, you have one.
Alright guys, I actually got a silver one. Pretty
Can
nice.
I see it? Can I see it?
$21
Whoa.
$21 yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe, comment, do all that stuff. So social media when we video. See you later. Don't forget to drink some milk.